Dark Amulet Series Book 1 Legend of the Lost Dexman Mines. Long ago, when it was the year 1828, on June 14th, in the 11th state of California, Nayland Sonell, there was a small town in the east Fort Splingslow Mountains that was called North Merced Emblem Falls, where the Bennington Blackwood Ainsworth Bellflower family lived. And so begins the epic adventurous tale of the Ainsworth Bellflowers as they discover new lands in the superstitious ancient mountains in founding the goldless town of Coppercoal Creek, following the discovery of gold in a nearby creek with the same name.